Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use custom export in Time Doctor. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come here, click on reports in the top navigation bar, and then click on this last option, custom export. Now from here, you can choose, what kind of details you want to show. We'll let the name be the identifier, date, and what you want to track. So we'll track time right here, the productivity as well. We will leave it to productivity time. Activity, I like doing idle minutes. And if you want, you can also have start and end times right there. Now, we need to select a date range. Come at the top right, click on date range, and I'll choose from the 13th to the 18th. Just like that, it'll pick up your time zone, okay? And you can scroll down. This is the time format. And you can choose what users as well. So this is for all users selected. If you toggle this one off, it will show specific users. You can choose those. I'll leave it for all users. You can also choose groups, okay, if you want to do it by groups, and how you want to export it. So you just come here. You can click on this drop down. You can choose. So we have CSV as an option, PDF, XLS. I'll choose PDF, and you just come here at the bottom. Click on export. As you can see, it has begun exporting. There we go. It has downloaded. I'll open this up in a new tab. So you can see this person, 4 hours, 27 minutes tracked. All the breakdown that we asked for, it's all here. And that is how to use custom export in Time Doctor.